Hello, ORG Cars community. Today, we're diving into a classic that holds a special place in automotive historia, the Toyota Qualis. Originally launched in India in 2000, the Qualis quickly became a favorite among families and fleet operators. Its spacious interior, reliable performance, and Toyota's hallmark durability made it a standout choice. However, after a successful run, Toyota discontinued the Qualis in 2004 to make way for newer models. Fast forward to 2025, and the automotive landscape has evolved dramatically. With advancements in technology, design, and consumer preferences, the question arises, what would a modern-day Toyota Qualis look like if it were reimagined for today's market? Design and exterior. Envisioning a 2025 Toyota Qualis, we'd expect a harmonious blend of the original's practicality with contemporary aesthetics. The boxy silhouette that maximized interior space might give way to a more aerodynamic profile, featuring sleek lines and a bold front grille. LED headlights and taillights would not only enhance visibility but also add a modern touch to the vehicle's appearance. Larger alloy wheels and a higher ground clearance could appeal to the SUV enthusiasts of today, catering to both urban and off-road adventures. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 2025 Qualis would prioritize comfort and convenience. High-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and ample legroom would make long journeys pleasant for all occupants. A panoramic sunroof could add a sense of openness, while customizable ambient lighting would allow drivers to set the mood according to their preferences. Technology and connectivity. Incorporating the latest technology would be essential. A large touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone integration, navigation, and voice control would keep drivers connected and informed. Advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, would enhance safety on the road. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and a premium sound system would cater to the tech-savvy passengers of today. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the modern Qualis might offer a range of powertrains to suit diverse preferences. A fuel-efficient hybrid engine could appeal to the environmentally conscious, providing a balance between performance and economy. For those seeking more power, a turbocharged petrol or diesel engine might be available, delivering robust performance for both city driving and highway cruising. Enhanced suspension systems and responsive steering would ensure a smooth and engaging driving experience. Safety features. Safety would remain a top priority. The 2025 Qualis would likely come equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including multiple airbags, a reinforced body structure, and advanced traction and stability control systems. A 360-degree camera system and parking sensors would assist in maneuvering the vehicle in tight spaces, providing added confidence to drivers. Market positioning and pricing. Positioned as a versatile family SUV, the reimagined Qualis would aim to offer value for money. Competitive pricing, coupled with Toyota's reputation for reliability, would make it an attractive option in the midsize SUV segment. Various trim levels could cater to different budgets and feature preferences, ensuring a broad appeal among consumers. Conclusion. While the original Toyota Qualis left an indelible mark in the early 2000s, a 2025 iteration would blend its core values of space, reliability, and practicality with modern design and technology. Such a vehicle would not only pay homage to its predecessor but also meet the demands of today's discerning drivers. What are your thoughts on a modern-day Toyota Qualis? Would it find a place in today's market? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to ORG Cars for more automotive insights and discussions.